Hello guys, welcome back to my weather channel. So, people towards the west right now is a little bit warmer, like way towards the west. In this UV area, whatever this is, temperatures are in the negatives, into the lower single digits. We are obviously into the negatives in single digits. Warmer here, colder here, that's going to combine, and that's what the next storm we're going to talk about here in a minute. So all it feels like is going to be -8 to -11, -12 towards the lake shores. It's a little bit colder towards the lake shores and a little bit warmer, just a teensy bit inland. Okay, so our winter weather alerts is obviously going to be that extreme cold warning and that flood outlook as well, and that's basically it. We're actually out of the winter weather advisory too. Now, if we look at this week, here's how much snow we basically got. People towards like Muskegon and those areas in purple got like 24 to more inches of snow. People in the red, which is going to be us, got like 18 to 24 inches of snow. People in the orange right here is going to be 12 to 14 inches. And people in the yellow has gotten 6 to 12 inches. That is a lot of snow that we got this week. Okay, so our precipitation is going to be still higher amounts of precipitation. I am tracking a system on Sunday night into Monday morning that could bring 4 to 6 inches. But obviously you can still tell by the end of next week we're going to start slowing down our precipitation, which is good news in this case. Okay, so our window meter, it's looking like some green conditions Saturday and Sunday. So it's just mainly going to be breezy, lower than 20 miles an hour with our wind gusts. For Sunday and Monday, that's that next system. Saturday. So for Monday and a Tuesday, that's not our next system. It's looking like it's going to be a little bit windy there, but still calmer winds next week. Okay, so our 7-day forecast is looking like we're still going to have those dangerous temperatures for tomorrow. We're going to have a break in weather alerts, probably the beginning of Sunday morning. And then we might get another alert starting with that last system that we're seeing in the end of January. That may bring, again, a lot of totals of snow. It's looking like for Tuesday we have a couple of systems, little to no accumulations, and it's going to get starting warmer temperatures next week and a little bit of little to no accumulations for next week. As of right now, that was the weather, and still, roads are going to be terrible. So keep it slow.